In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make logo bigger on Shopify. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and head to the online store area. Then click Customize. This opens the theme editor, which is where you can make visual changes in a live preview. Take a moment to let the editor load so you can see your storefront and the customization panels on the left. Next, look for the header settings. Depending on the theme you're using, this will either be a visible header section in the left panel, or it may live inside theme settings under a logo section. If you don't see a header label right away, expand theme settings and scroll until you find anything related to logo or header. Different themes name things slightly differently, but they all provide a place to change logo size. Once you've opened the logo area, look for a control labeled Desktop Logo Width or something similar. Many themes use a slider for this, while others provide a numeric field where you can type a value. The slider is useful for quick visual adjustments, and a numeric field is handy when you want precise control. If your theme shows both options, use whichever one feels more accurate for the look you want. Adjust the slider or enter the new value to increase the logo size. Move the slider slowly and watch the live preview to make sure the logo scales in a way that still looks balanced with your header and navigation. If you're entering a number, try small increments to avoid overpowering other header elements. Keep in mind that making the logo too large can push other items out of place, so aim for a size that enhances your brand without crowding the header. After you've reached a size you like in the desktop preview, take a quick look at the mobile preview in the theme editor. Some themes allow a separate mobile logo setting, while others automatically scale the desktop logo down. Confirm that the logo remains clear and doesn't interfere with menu buttons or page content on smaller screens. When you're satisfied with the appearance across devices, click Save to apply your changes. Saving commits the update to your live theme, so give your storefront a final look on an actual device or in a new browser tab to ensure everything displays as expected. As a final tip, use a high-resolution logo file so the image remains sharp when scaled up. And consider keeping a copy of your original settings in case you want to revert.